Hello, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be installing a Dickinson Newport Explorer propane fireplace chimney for van life. Starting out, I marked the roof of my van where the chimney had to exit, drilled a small pilot hole with a plastic box to catch the metal shards, taped a plastic bag under the hole for the same purpose, and then used a 3-inch hole saw to make an opening for the chimney cap. After that, I glued the wood backing to the ceiling, let it dry with clamps, and then drilled and screwed down the Dickinson chimney cap. Back inside, I fitted the double-walled pipe to the top of the fireplace and hoisted everything up, pushing the pipe up into the cap and setting the back plate down onto my bottom screws in the wall, and then finally screwing in the top of the plate for extra security. So honestly, that turned out really well. The thing that I'm most grateful for is that I didn't have to cut the chimney. You know, like when I was putting it in place, it just went in perfectly. And you can see now that, yeah, we have a chimney and fireplace. It's all prepped for putting the propane stove in. But thank you guys for watching. I'll keep you updated with more van life content. And until next time, peace.